How awesome is this Greek place? Look at all the blue. Hi, my name is Roos. I've been doing yoga for nearly 20 years and I've been teaching for the past 10. I'm a full-time yoga teacher in Holland and abroad, and I make videos every Wednesday. If you're interested to learn more about yoga and body positivity, please check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I want to take you through a grounding meditation just to help you settle into wherever you are. I've been flying and traveling by boat, so it feels really nice to connect to the earth again, especially to the beautiful Greek earth that I'm at right now. So find a comfortable seat. You can sit like I do, cross-legged, or if that's really uncomfortable for you, feel free to sit on a chair or on your sofa, but make sure that your spine is upright so you're not slouching. Use pillows if you need them, or blocks underneath your knees or behind your sitting bones so you sit up nice and straight. And rest your hands on your knees. I like to have my hands open to be a little bit more open towards the world, but if you're feeling tired or drained, feel free to have the hands down. Go ahead and close your eyes. Just take a few breaths to settle into wherever you are. Whatever you're thinking or whatever you were doing before, your to-do lists, everything in your head, give that time to come back to you after this meditation. Bring your awareness to where you're connected to the earth, your sitting bones, your ankles, maybe your back if you're sitting a little bit more supported. And imagine with every exhale, you're melting those pieces of you more into the ground, as if they're sinking a little bit more, releasing the tension in the muscles. Every deep breath brings a little bit more softness in your lower body. And then from that solid base, with every inhale, let your spine lengthen through the crown. And every exhale softens the shoulders, the face. Inhales, lengthen. Exhale, soften. Every time your thoughts drift, bring them back to that lengthening and softening. Keeping the connection to the earth, your lower body being fully relaxed. And then feel into your belly. Can you let it rise with every inhale? And fall, release with every exhale. Whatever you're thinking or hearing, remember to bring your awareness back to your belly, to your breath. The noises around you are just reminders to stay in this moment, to stay present with your body, with your breath. One more breath here. And then bringing the awareness back to the lower body, the feet resting on the ground, the hips. Maybe you're getting a little bit sore in your lower body. That's okay. Imagine your muscles melting a little bit more. Melting into the ground more and more, releasing any tension in your leg muscles. Maybe even letting the pelvis release a little bit more. Take a deep inhale. Sigh it out. Exhale. Bring your hands together in front of your heart center. We'll close together with one Om. Feel free to listen if that's more comfortable for you. Inhale fully. Bow your head to your hands. Inhale here. And exhale, sigh it out. I am connected to the earth and the people around me. I am connected to the earth and the people around me. Namaste. Slowly lift up your head when you're ready. Thank you so much for meditating with me. I hope you enjoyed this practice. If you want to see more meditation, yoga, trips abroad, and body positivity, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go back to my cruise and teach my classes. Bye, guys. Your inhale fully. Ooh. Whoops. Holy shit, my camera just fell. I was doing the Om and the camera just fell backwards with my brand new lens on it. Inhale fully. Holy shit, my camera fell down. Motherfucker. Oh, that scared me. But everything I think is fine. The camera, it's okay.